Okay, so let's begin with world mountain. Let's begin with Asia. So Asia basically having the highest peaks of the highest peaks in the world, around 8,000 or peak more than 8,000 kilometers. So but here you are learning from the exam point of view only, so you're only focusing on the main part. The first range is Himalayan. Mount Everest, the highest peak of Himalaya is Mount Everest, and the location is Nepal, China, 8,848, and highest Yangful mountain. You can call Himalaya highest Yangful mountain. Now second is Karakoram, that is K2, Godwin Austen, that is Park China region, 8,611, and basically it if we consider in Indian context, if we include disputed area, Karakoram range and K2 is the highest peak. Backbone of the High Asia include Beltoro Glacier. Now Hindu Kush. Highest peak is Trichmil. Hindu Kush, Trichmil. Revise it with me. Hindu Kush and Trichmil. 7,708, and it is in Pakistan, Afghanistan. Okay. Now Tiansen Genghis Chokusu नाम से पता चल रहा है चाइना और किर्गिस्तान के पास का होगा. त्यानसेन याद रखना, किर्गिस्तान भी है इसमें, है ना. देन कुनलुन लियोशी शैन, ये चाइना में. लियोशी शैन जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, दिस इज द हाईएस्ट पिक बोल रही हूँ. पहले माउंटेन रेंज बोल रही हूँ, देन हाईएस्ट पिक का नाम बोल रही हूँ. देन लोकेशन इज चाइना. देन अल्टाई, हाईएस्ट पिक इज बेलूखा माउंटेन. और countries involved in Russia, Mongolia, China. Altai, है ना, meeting point of Russia and China and Mongolia. Here Russia, China and Mongolia meets. Now South America, let's move here. We all know Andes. The highest peak of Andes is Aconcagua, 6,962, and basically it is majorly in Argentina. Long river, highest peak outside Asia. लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर है ये, हाईएस्ट पिक आउटसाइड है. एशिया के अलावा कोई लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर है, सॉरी लॉन्गेस्ट पिक है, माय बैड. तो एंडीज है. इसी में है कॉर्डिलेरा डे लॉस एंडीज. ओके, बाय बाय.